Boston Dynamics Atlas just carried 45-pound boxes while doing backflips. But three converging breakthroughs in 2026 will put robots in your home, workplace, and streets within 18 months. First, AI processing power has hit a critical threshold. NVIDIA's new Blackwell chips are delivering 20 times the performance of previous generations, giving robots human-level decision-making in real time. Tesla's Optimus can now fold laundry and sort objects with 99.2% accuracy. That's better than most humans. Second, manufacturing costs are plummeting. Chinese robotics companies are producing humanoid robots for under $25,000, down from $200,000 just 2 years ago. That's smartphone adoption curve economics hitting robotics. Third, the software breakthrough everyone missed. Figure AI's partnership with OpenAI means robots can now understand natural language commands and adapt to new tasks without reprogramming. By December 2026, McKinsey predicts 8 million service robots will be deployed globally. Your coffee shop barista, warehouse worker, and elderly care assistant might all be synthetic. The question isn't whether this revolution is coming, it's whether you're prepared for it. Subscribe and hit notifications because I'm tracking every major robotics announcement as we race toward 2026. The future isn't coming, it's already here.